Hey there, the team over at Valuemax has sent over their 8-in-1 handsaw. This is going to take care of multiple DIY things here at the house, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, so let's take a closer look at it. So the entire handsaw itself is not very big at all. The handle of it is not really much bigger than a screwdriver, and I like that it has this nice ergonomic grip to it, making it easy to hold and use. In addition to this first blade that comes on the handsaw, there's also 7 additional blades in this storage box here. Not only is the case itself labeled with the blades and what they're used for, each blade is also labeled very nicely, so it's easy to grab whatever blade is needed for your task. I grabbed the wood blade and cut off a few limbs from some trees just to show you how easy this works and how easy it is to maneuver it around. The blades are quick change, so I simply used my thumb to pull down the lever, pulled out the blade I was using, and inserted the next one. There are 2 sections, the middle section for the larger blades, and either side can be used for the smaller blades. I really like the quality and feel of this handsaw. It's easy to grab and use as needed, and because it can do wood and metal and drywall and things like that, it's going to come in great for all those DIY projects. If you are looking for a new handsaw, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.